You just enter into your room and feel nothing special and boring. Don't worry, dear. We are about to fix that together in zero budget. Because I have 20 aesthetic DIY room decor ideas that will make your room looks like this. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's start the video. Let's make something that will glow your room. A bunch of wisteria flower will glow up your ceiling. Take a brown package and roll it. Now take tissue or toilet paper and color it. Cut it. Now take needle and insert into the thread. Same thing with others. Now stick it on the wall. And your wisteria flowers is ready. A desk organizer will keep your stationery separately and also looks clean and organized. Take a cardboard box and cut it as shown in the video and cover it with designer paper. Now from extra pieces, cut rectangular shapes and paste it. Now stick a bottle cap, and you can add extra element. After all, stick all the pieces together. And your organizer is ready. A shelf looks good on your wall. Take cardboard and stick 2 to 3 pieces to make it thicker and cover it with paper. Make a cloud shape and color it as you want, and you can add detail. Stick them, and your own DIY shelf is ready. A bow garland will look so aesthetic. Take ribbon and make bows. You can make as much as you want. Stick all bows together. And your aesthetic bow garland is ready. If you don't know how to make bow, this is for you. This aesthetic tray looks so good, and you can also put your accessories on it. Take any type of lid and color it as you want. You can add more details so it looks more attractive. Add varnish or transparent nail polish. And your aesthetic tray is ready. A pen holder will keep your pens, pencils, and other stuff separately, and you won't lose it. Draw a character and color it. Cover it with transparent tape and cut it. Make this shape as shown in the video and cut it out. Fold it as shown in the video and glue them together. Stick the characters front and back. And your pen holder is ready. This mini flower pot looks so aesthetic wherever you keep it. Take an old paint bottle and color it as you want. Take a white sheet and color it, or you can take color paper also. Also make leaves. After that, cut the paper as shown in the video and make flower-like pattern. You can add extra element, and your cute mini flower pot is ready. A cloud lamp will give you a comfy vibe. Take a cardboard and cut it in cloud shape. Cover it with white sheet and add light. Take some cotton and give cloudy effect, and your cloud lamp is ready. A hanging lamp will glow up your room. Take transparent tape and add sticks as shown in the video, and you can add extra element and stick another tape on it and make a box. In extra square piece, add a tassel and attach it. Now add light in it and close it. And your Chinese lamp is ready. If you want more shelves to keep you small stuff, this is for you. Take a square piece and fold it as shown in the video. Make it as much as you want. Roll a paper like stick. Stick all the shelves together. You can add details, and your DIY paper shelves is ready. If you are watching my video till now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you paste aesthetic small paintings on your wall, it looks so much aesthetic. You can make aesthetic paintings and stick it on your wall. If you want to keep your jewelry separately, this jewelry stand is for you. Take empty tape roll, block the below side and cover it with pattern paper. Same thing with other. Cut a strap and paste both roll. You can add extra details, and your jewelry stand is ready. If you like sea animals, this DIY is for you, and you can also paste it on your wall. Draw a star shape and cut it. Take some pieces and paste it as shown in the video. Take some paper pieces, twist it, and insert it, and paste paper tape. Mix glue and water in same amount, and add tissue to make a layer. Use hot glue gun to make texture. Now color it as you want. And your starfish is ready. Stick it wherever you want. If you hang a decorated mirror on the wall, it will look very good and will give you fresh vibes. Use clay and make small circles. Stick all circles together so it becomes a flower. You can make as many as you want and in any color. And your cute mirror is ready. This fairy lamp looks so aesthetic and also light up your room. Take any fairy reference and cut it. Now take an empty jar and color it. You can add any extra element as you want. Add a light and close the lid. And your aesthetic fairy lamp is ready. This flower pot is small and easy to make, and you can also gift this flowers to someone. Take a roll and cut it and close the bottom. Color the roll. Take a paper and fold it as shown in the video. And your flower pot is ready. This cardboard ragdoll is so cute. Take cardboard and cut squares and paste it all together. Secure it with tape and draw any type of face on it. Now do same thing with other parts, but in different shapes. Put holes in every parts and insert shoelaces shown in the video. And your cardboard ragdoll is ready. Painting a switchboard is a good idea. Draw any type of drawing as you want. A wall grid will change your wall look totally. Take some sticks and paste it as shown in the video. You can make as many as you want and color it. Stick it on your wall and paste whatever you want, and your wall grid is ready. If you play Minecraft, this flower pot is made for you. Make a plus and color it. Do same thing with others, but in different colors. Stick all boxes together and make pot, and your flower pot is ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you so much to make your room aesthetic.